What is PPC?
PPC stands for pay-per-click, a model of internet marketing, in which advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Essentially, it's a way of buying visits to your site, rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. Search engine advertising is one of the most popular forms of PPC. It allows advertisers to bid for ad placement in a search engine's sponsored links, when someone searches on a keyword that is related to their business offering. For example, if we bid on the keyword PPC software, our ad might show up in the very top spot on the Google results page. Every time our ad is clicked, sending a visitor to our website, we have to pay the search engine a small fee. When PPC is working correctly, the fee is trivial, because the visit is worth more than what you pay for it. In other words, if we pay $3 for a click, but the click results in a $300 sale, then we've made a hefty profit. Would you like to know more about marketing? Join us at digitpro.co.uk or follow us on YouTube.